Can you freeze eggs? The answer to that question is yes, and here are some ways to do so. The best way I have found to freeze eggs is using silicone molds, and here I'm using a couple different ones and also using a muffin tin just to hold it together. As you can see here, half of the muffin tin I'm setting up with silicone mold on the muffin tin. And on that third one, I'm putting a little bit of oil. I've seen that some people do this to see if that helps. And on the last one, I'm not putting anything on it. And here I am doing whole eggs. As you can see, I even have a double yolk on that one. And I'm also trying out to scramble them and freeze them. So I'm just trying to find different ways to see if this will freeze well. And on that one is the oiled one that we did. I'm doing whole eggs and I'm doing scrambled eggs. Here's another mold I'm using. We actually used to use this to make ice cubes. So let's try it out. And here's what they look like after 24 hours in the freezer. And as you can see, these are the ones that we did not scramble. As you can see, it's very, you can easily take it out, no problem. This one is not oiled whatsoever. So the silicone mold does really nicely when it's time to take the eggs out. And I find that in both either unscrambled or scrambled eggs, they came out fine. No problem. So I think that's the best way to do it. This is the part where I put a little bit of oil and freeze the eggs. And as you can see, it's not coming out right. So the oil did not help. And on that last one, that one is not oiled. I put it directly to the muffin tin. And on that one, it's not coming out at all either. So I find that the best way to go when freezing eggs is using silicone mold. What I did do is kind of thaw it out just a little bit to see if that will work. I mean, I left it on the counter. You can run some cold water as well on the bottom of the tray just for about a minute. And that really helped a lot. But as you can see, it's quite messy. So I didn't prefer doing it that way.